How to fix if photo not showing in thumbnail or thumbnail preview not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, first workaround is update your Windows OS. Go to Windows settings. From the left pane, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. If you found any available updates, simply download and install it. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search and type folder file explorer option. Open it and here go to view tab from the top menu bar and uncheck the option always shows icon never thumbnails. Uncheck this option and press apply, then OK to save the changes. Again in the same window under view tab, reset folders. You can apply this view such as details or icons to all locations of the type. Choose reset folders. That's all.